Corvette club car show going on, y'all. I guess it got nothing but Corvettes and shit. So we about to see. We definitely about to see. Bro, look at this. Oh, shit. My damn shoes, man. My whites. Look it. They also look like they selling these cars. Oh, well, they're not selling them. So, I guess competition. Wow.
So maybe I'll find a different place to park.
Hey, somebody's about to get towed.
No, it's Cars and Coffee.
Oh,
okay. It's a church-based Cars and Coffee.
I can always find your car. Get that track time. 10:45 at 1:33.
That's crazy. That is crazy.
Go senior citizens.
What'd you say?
Go senior citizens.
Yeah.
And work hard to pay my Social Security.
Yeah. Yeah. That is crazy. He's a real racer. He's a real racer. Yep. Hey, this orange one. Nice. Crazy, y'all. It's nothing but vets. Ooh, look at the 4Gs on this thing. Put the funkies on there, bro. We really put the funkies on there. Good, sir. This yours right here?
Yes, sir.
Oh man, you put the 4Gs on it. I like that. You got good taste, man.
Thank you, man.
Good taste, man. I like it.
You gotta have the 4Gs. Come on.
Yeah, you gotta have the 4Gs, man.
It's
Yeah,
probably not track ready, but that's okay.
yeah. Gotta have the 4Gs. It's crazy. You got the floating caps to it? The caps are
Yeah,
floating?
they float. Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy.
Which I lost one of them, maybe in some aggressive driving, but thankfully, lots of shenanigans later, I was able to get another one.
Oh, damn.
Yeah. For like $200.
$200 for the
For a freaking center cap.
That is tough right there. That's tough.
There's only one
But it happens. Gotta live large.
Yeah, you gotta pay them.
Yeah, gotta pay the price. Gotta pay to have fun. This thing crazy. This thing's crazy. I like that color. These two, I like those. Well, you gotta go to the three of them. Yeah, I'll take 3 of them. But that one's crazy. You got the 4Gs on there. That's crazy, the 4Gs. Oh. She's still recording. She don't even know. I'm just gonna stand still though. Everybody's just standing still.
Ah, yeah, thank you all. That was great. That's the best way to show the fantastic car show.
is laid back chill, bro.
It is. It's like two completely different vibes from the one over there to this one.
Yeah, we got Motor Fest and we just got the relaxed car show. So yeah, that's crazy. What's good, man?
I saw you trying to move.
Nah, we both at it.
For sure.
We both at it. You got a channel too?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I got
a YouTube channel?
Yeah, I got a YouTube channel too.
What's your YouTube channel?
Underdog Booker.
Underdog Booker.
Yes, sir. Dang, I like that. Whoa, this thing looking like glass. I like it. Okay. Man, wiping the hell out that damn bed. He been wiping that vet for like almost about 40 minutes. I passed him and he's still wiping it, bro. He's still wiping the damn bed.
Anyway.
What did he just say? I can't wait for the BMW show.
I heard there was a Lamborghini show.
Can you hear it now?
Oh yeah, we hitting that. That's on my birthday too. Guys, back in the cut before I get back into showing the cars and stuff, but because you know I can't talk because they've got music in the background. So this whole video is gonna be like just a vibe, music, just instrument playing, just you know, quiet vibe of showing the cars and stuff like that. But the funny thing is, bro, like, you know, they win what's that, they win like prizes for, you know, it's like a contest, like who got the best car out here, you know, it's a car show. So I accidentally walked past somebody and I accidentally touched them because I had something in my pocket, it was hanging out. I accidentally touched this car like a little tiny bit. I turned around, I looked back at him, he's looking dead at me, but I said, oh man, I'm sorry, bro, I did not mean it. I deserve an ass for it because I ain't gonna lie, if I'm in a car show and somebody bump my car, I'm gonna look at your ass too some type of way. I'm gonna look at you like, why the hell you hit my car? Like, but I understand, man. I'm about to get, bro. It was just funny because he said, oh, you good. No, I'm not good because I look back, you look dead in me. You look dead in my eyes. So that's the funniest thing, man. That's funny, bro. These people, bro, that's why these men out here take their cars serious, man. They out here wiping their cars down, bro. They do not play. You will catch a lawsuit out here for a scratch. You will catch a goddamn 100K lawsuit out here playing with these boys about their cars, man. Like crazy. But that's crazy. Let's get back to it, man. Wow. trucks, y'all, in the cut, the old schools, man. Ooh, all them Porsches right there. But this old school is clean.
It's just sickening, bro. I'm sure over that.
SVJs is crazy. Next to the Ferrari. It's Audi clean, man. This Audi is clean. This thing hard. I like the paint. I don't know if it's a wrap or paint, but this thing hard. It's a Huracan too. I'm fucking with the Huracans, y'all. I'm definitely fucking with the Huracan. Thing is sick. Oh yeah. How you doing, sir? Good. Yes, sir.
Lotto's made it all the way to the top.
So we about to see if I can make it all the way to the top. I'm gonna do this from the top. I always been doing this. I always made it to the top.
What happened? Oh, Andy got it. Oh, you want to sit? She gave me a house.
We do. We climb to the top. We always apply pressure and make it to the top. We keep climbing for success.
He said, period.
You can do it, girl.
You can do
it. Keep climbing. One more. You got it. Reach up there and grab that one right there. I got you right here. You know? Okay, well, jump down. Just let go. You'll float. See, now it's not so bad. You want to climb it? You want to try it again? See, now you know what happens when you fall. You don't fall. You float. So now, you get calm.
Damn.
Oh, right over the go cramp. Boy, that's not good.
Shit. Hold on.
Right
The
there,
pad
go.
on.
Right there. There you go. Now stand up on this foot. Put this one right there. There you go, like that.
Come on, babe.
There you go. See, now we're climbing. Now we got it. Now we got it.
Stand up.
Go in.
Stand up.
Oh, you want me to stand right here? You want me to stand right here? You said no, I just want to slow down.
Is that the most fun part?
You done?
Damn. This is so nice. Shit.
Ah! We like that. We don't fear shit.
Period. Has to go up. Okay.
I'm the underdog for a reason. I always go up. We never stop. Never stop nothing.
Period.
We don't fear nothing but God. You feel me?
Period.
But yeah.
Good.
Bro, what the fuck?
I was like, he looks familiar.
Bro, we literally going to Walmart to go do something, and we run into this.
Here, bro?
What the fuck you doing here?
Look at this, my city. What are you doing?
Nigga, this is my.
What's good, though? What you doing, homie?
Oh, I'm here to do a cashier check and shit.
I ain't paid for it, by the way. I just put it in the bag and left.
This nigga a bad kid. He's a bad kid. That's the Chucky one? Let me see. Oh, I see what you're doing.
But instead of this mess, I got this mess.
Hey.
I ain't paid for shit.
Woo! It's your boy Underdog Booker, and y'all already know we back in the cut and with another lit video. Y'all already know, man. Smash that like button. If you don't smash that like button, you don't like your mama, your grandmama, your aunties, your sister, whatever, your family relatives, nobody, bro. But other than that, we're going to a Honda meet. So y'all already know what's about to go down. Y'all already know what's about to go down, man. It's about to be a Honda day. So today, X out all the Mopars, all supercars today. We are officially about to go to a Honda meet. It's about to be Honda's Hellcats everywhere.
On the Hellcats.
Shit, we might as well see Nissan. Yeah, it's her day today. She's happy, y'all. She's happy today that she about to see her brothers and sisters today. She's about to go see her brothers and sisters at the Honda meet.
Cousins, all that.
Yeah, but they just don't know that she got a red eye Honda. She got a red eye Honda, y'all. So, other than that, we taking this trip to the Honda meet, and it seems like it's pretty lit. It's gonna be pretty adventurous. You feel me? So we got the woods. She's hitting a full send right now.
Full send.
Oh shit! I'm dead. We gonna get this Hellcat off the curve. Yeah, y'all. So we'll be right back. If that orange Challenger, oh man, I was about to record this orange Challenger, y'all. It was like a 2014 Challenger. No, I think 13, but it was all the way built. Like, he got the hood, he got the badges, everything. He had the little Hot Wheel badges. It was like it was an old model one, but I guess he just fixed it up, man. So it's not wrong to have a old model car, y'all. Y'all can have a beat up Honda. It's just how you build it, okay? You can have the most, how can I say it? You can have the most horrible car, but you can always turn something to something great, man. To nothing to something. So if you got a Nissan, if you got a Honda, you still winning, bro. It's just how how you build the car. If that's really, because if you really a car person, or if you really into the stuff, you'll just build a car. Because I seen that damn Hyundai that y'all watched, like, on my video from the other couple videos. The Hyundai, come on, if you look up a Hyundai, bro, it's a basic regular car, bro. That car damn near look like better than most of the, like a Hellcat. It looked better than most Hellcats that I see. And it's built, it got a full tail to it. It got a full wrap. The inside is done with a new steering wheel, bro. It's just how you put your money in a car and build it, bro. So everything, if you got a messed up, beat up car, bro, you still winning. You just got to put your mind into it to build that car. Because if you don't, then just fuck it. Like, just fuck it. Speaking of a Hyundai, we just passed up one right there. We just passed up. That's crazy. Speaking of, that's, man, I tell you, I be talking straight into real life, and believe me, man. That's crazy. I don't know. But other than that, we'll be right back. I'll be right back with y'all, man, because we're about to make a little trip and stuff. adventurous trip. Ain't that right?
Trip. Mm-hmm.
So yeah. Also, she will be having her own channel. I think yeah, today. So y'all, I'll be putting up her channel. If she got it, if she already got it done, so this will be her channel. I'll give y'all her channel and stuff. But yeah. But her channel will be in the description. So yeah, she's starting her own Honda channel. She got a Honda channel. She's taking over all the Honda Hellcats.
Vlogs, everything, just daily shit, car shit, all that.
So yeah. Also, if y'all want to go subscribe to the couples channel where we do pranks and stuff and all that, I'm separated from my other channel, this channel right here. So go subscribe to the couples channel right now if you can. If y'all want to see the exclusive stuff, all the pranks, all the vlogs going through Walmart, everything, just mostly everything other than the car meet stuff. So yeah, go to that channel, go subscribe to that channel, because that channel is gonna be pretty dope. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, that channel gonna be pretty dope. But other than that, we are cut. We made it to Honda dealership, and we at the Honda meet. Her home, sweet home, y'all. This is our home. Yes, sir. Look at this old school. Oh, dang, this one got a clear top to it. Oh, this thing got a clear top to it. Oh, the reverse door. It's like a... Dang, I ride this thing. This thing crazy. Like this old school. Yeah, man. This one crazy.
When we was young, we would take these, chop them up, and make dune buggies out of them.
For real?
Well, hell, hell, we're almost 70, so there was hundreds of these when we was young.
Oh, dang. I mean, if you had this, you was the shit, right? You was the stuff.
I would have had it now. If I'd have thought then, I never would have chopped them up.
Oh, man, this thing is crazy. I like this. This is beautiful for real.
You imagine trying to put that on the street with these assholes running around there? You can't go to a store or nothing with it, but then somebody tried to bang it. You know they would.
Yeah. Scratch it up, do all type of stuff. You can't keep nothing nice, man.
Hell no. Everybody always wants to take what you got. It's weird, man.
It is now.
You work your ass off to get it, and somebody don't want to do nothing.
They don't. Oh, man. That's son of a gun right there. This one too? Oh, man. This is a Corvette, y'all. This is a nice, well taken care of bit. We looking at old schools right now, yeah. That's a lot of old schools. Man, the El Camino, man.
Somebody called me that we need to.
Ooh, weesh. This thing. Excuse me. This thing is nice, man.
You like it?
Yes. Thing is nice. Ooh. This is yours?
97 Grandson engine edition with the fuel injection and everything.
This is nice, man.
Rear.
Oh my gosh. I haven't seen this is probably the first one I've seen.
It's
in person.
It's a greenhouse rooms too. You touch them.
Oh,
it has the exhaust on the side.
Oh, that's love.
You see? Both sides.
Oh, that's mean. That's crazy right there.
I'm gonna change this. Is you wanna put the same white that we have in that one?
Yeah.
On the center, we're gonna put that white in there. This is too hot, man.
Yeah, it is. I see it. So y'all changing both seats in there?
No, the seat.
Oh,
I gotta take the seat out, take it to a trim man.
He's gonna pot it a little bit more, and he's gonna put the white. I still have the material.
Yeah.
The white material from that car, and he got the material. And I take the material saving.
Oh damn.
But then I got this show, and then I have another.
Complete route. Yeah, I like the Kia Stingers. I said Stingrays, but the Kia Stingers, that's what I mean. Kia Stingers, man, lined up. This is right here. Look at that, bro, that old school inside in that thing, man. I like this color, bro. This is like some movie shit, like goddamn off of Bad Boys and some shit. Like that, just that color, that interior, bro. That old look to it. Then you got this. These things are like, is this a PT Cruiser, y'all? These look like PT Cruisers to me, like a different style. Doors go up. Y'all already know the panties go down. Snake skin on the seat interior. Oh, that's crazy. Chrysler 300 with the blue interior and inside. Okay. Yes, sir. With the Hellcat, with the Demon hood. Bro, these Cadillacs are nice. Bro, this thing is a vibe. This is a big vibe. What? For real? I'm dead. Dang, old school Impala. Look at this. Oh, he got Nas and you got enough Nas to blow yourself up, man.
Oh yeah, got to.
This thing crazy.
Danger manifold, baby.
Yeah. This thing is tough. Ooh, the paint on there is nice. Bro, this is a vibe. Big tire, the fat tire on there. A demon? That's a demon? Okay. Bro, look at a demon. Ooh, look at them seats, man. See the seats in this thing? This is sport too. Oh, God. Another Honda. The SI Honda. Oh, what? This is my first time seeing it lower. The Demon, the big Demon, man. The big Demon. Oh, you got some bad tires and everything. Y'all see it. Bro, I like the seats. You got the Demon stitching in it. I know he be bringing this thing on the track. Chevy truck. Big Chevy.